Now let us see how can we upgrade the PHP version from 8.2 to the above. First, let me check what is the version that I am using right now, PHP-V. So I am using 8.2. That is right now the version that I am using. To work with our Laravel 13 framework, we need 8.3 and above. First, we can go to this website and we can download the latest PHP version. Okay, so 8.3 is 8.5 is available. Try to download the thread safe and click to download. Yeah, file got downloaded. Let's go to the location. First, extract this. Yeah, fine, it is extracted. Do one thing. First, rename this as PHP folder. Just rename it as a PHP folder. Go to the XAMPP location. In the XAMPP location, this is existing PHP. Rename it as old or backup or something like this. It's better to make it backup. So what you can do now, you can go to this and copy this PHP. Now we just extracted for the PHP 8.5. Just I'm pasting here. So once it is done, some important changes also we need to do. Here you open this file. You can see some file with name called PHP INI development, INI production. Just rename it. PHP INI. I just want to go to rename. That's all. This is PHP INI file. Yes. And next very important thing is what? There are some extensions needs to be enabled. Please check those extensions. Let us find this INTL. So just I want to jump directly there, extension section. Yeah. So whatever the extensions I enabled here, please verify the extensions because we copy pasted this new PHP folder with for latest version. So now you need to check all these extensions should be enabled. So be careful. So every extension, these are enabled, file info enabled, MB string. Where is this? Very important. It has to be enabled as well as OpenSSL needs to be enabled. So if you can see MySQL needs to be enabled. And if you can go down a little bit, this zip also needs to be enabled. And one more thing, there is one more property called extensions directory, I believe, extensions underscore dir. So I think not extension dir, I believe. So this property also needs to be enabled. So 1 minute, somewhere I missed this property. Let me find the property. So Control F, extensions dir. Yeah. Can you see the property extension dir? This will be in comment by default. You have to enable this property also. So these are the basic things that you need to do. Let me save this file. Close. And once you're done, stop and restart. Then only settings will be affected. I'm getting some warning due to this PHP updation, but I don't have any problem. So even though if I get some kind of alerts, now please verify whether that version is getting updated or not. Let me go to localhost. You can check PHP info and the latest version is 8.5 is getting updated. Otherwise, we have another way. Open CMD, just type PHP-V and you will get the latest version. Yeah, perfectly. We upgraded the PHP. We are running this in local machine. So we need to enable SSL certificate in our local machine. To do this, you can go to this particular website, curl docs. You can download this file. After downloading this file, just rename it. The date and everything is not required. Just what I can do, let me remove the date, just CA certificate.pem. So this file, we have to copy and paste into your PHP location. Earlier, we have replaced the existing PHP folder with the latest PHP, right? Go to that folder location, go to the PHP, this is the location. We have extras folder. Inside extras folder, you have to do this SSL. So here you have to paste it. So just rename it and paste it. Once you have pasted this file, it's very important thing. We need to go to our PHP INI file. Inside PHP INI file, we have to enable the path here. Very important. Under the curl section, you have to enable curl CA info, the path of the file. Just now we kept where exactly copy the path based on your drive, based on your location, you have to choose the path. Not only this curl info, and previously this property will be in comment, like the semicolon in front of it, remove the semicolon, just update the path. In the same way, open SSL CA file also, you have to update this. Earlier also it will be in comment, remove the comment and just update the same path. So this is the path and this is the path. These two needs to be updated. After the upgradation process is completed, if you are still getting any errors, please approach some AI tools like ChatGPT and some other, and please try to find the solution for that.